Stop.
Hi guys.
Who are you?
Why am I introducing? Hey guys.
What the fuck? Who are
This
you?
is Alcoholics Anonymous. It's my first meeting of AA. I've been an alcoholic since I was good fuck.
You've been an alcoholic since when? Are you crying? Oh, she's crying. Yeah. Yay! Yay! Huh? I zoomed in on the ducks.
Welcome to my crib.
Guys, welcome to my backyard.
Oh, there's like you can go on that side.
Ready?
That's cool. Whoa, what is that?
This is too low.
Oh.
Look, she's right there. Crying! Why are you running? Anyway, we're going to the boardwalk. Yay! Here you go.
Hey y'all! We're at Laser Blast Arcade in San Diego, California. We are here to record content, and I'm gonna need 30 million views on the
30 minutes.
I'm gonna need 30 million views on this video. We have a carousel over there.
This is the worst angle ever.
You know,
Oh my god.
jump scare. That was real scary. We have this cute little carousel. Want me a prize? I need a Mario plushie. Wait, where is it? Wait, am I getting it?
There.
Wait. I want the poppet. I want the Sour Patch and Warheads.
This
I need to
lighting
put my
is
phone
not
in my
kind.
Wait, that tree is cute.
Are we actually gonna mini golf? Oh! I'm so zoomed in!
The voices!
Loser! Lightweight loser! What's that called? I don't know.
What if they got murdered in their hotel room?
Hi everyone!
You started the
Wait, hold
same
on, sorry.
every time.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Hey everyone, wait. Hey everyone, we are in Fashion Valley Shopping Center in San Diego, California, and we are bi-coastal.
Literally, like, oh my god. Oh my god.
So, how are you feeling about it? How are we? Martini, can you imagine how delicious that is?
Matcha martini. Grassy ass martini.
What?
Exotic drinks.
The grass.
Can you guys girl.
Baby girl.
Hey, baby girl.
Playing Princess Diana for Miss Diana over there.
That's literally me. Like, yeah.
She's been chewing for a minute.
Oh. Imagine if you would have gotten a drink.
I know.
140.
God was looking.
On the gondola.
Are we gonna dip?
Dip? Doing this back is
Ready? Here we go.
Here we go. Are you afraid of heights?
It's literally so slow.
I am afraid of heights.
Oh Lord.